It's time to do the blow a bubble spell. Are you ready? 3, 2, go! Right, copy me. Into your spell pose. Draw a big circle with one hand. Make a bubble with your finger and thumb. Draw a big circle with your other hand and make a bubble with your finger and thumb. Float the bubbles up into the air. Bring your hands into the middle. Make a bubble with your thumbs. Turn it upside down, then blow into it to make it bigger. And then make a huge bubble by jumping. Same moves again. Draw a big circle. Bubble. Draw another circle. Bubble. Float them into the air. Hands together. Bubble with your thumbs. Upside down. Blow. And then make a huge bubble by jumping. Now clap and say blow a bubble to send the magic to me. Blow a bubble! Look, it's working! Away they go! Whoa! Wow! Amazing! You did a great job on the blow a bubble spell. Our big world magic did the trick.